In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rotor on your front load washer. So to install the rotor, you're just going to bring it up over the stator, lining it up with the shaft, and just because the magnets are starting to grab, just give it a little bit of a wiggle. There we go. Now it takes a little finesse to get it on, as you can see. That wasn't because it was too tight on the spline or not lined up. It's just that every magnet around there is grabbing for its own pull and direction. So you just have to insist it go into place and put your bolt in. So now we got the bolt in place. Just going to tighten it up with our impact. So now with the rotor installed, we just need to put the back on. With our back now on and secured, we'd be turning our machine around and putting it into its proper location, connecting our hoses, turning our water on, putting our drain hose into the standpipe, plugging it in, and your repair is complete.